Today I'm here with my cousin, Jonathan. And Jonathan's gonna be making a meal that he makes, what, like every night for dinner?
Almost every night. All right, so I got this friend who went to South America, and they make this like all the time. And then I was over at her house, she was like, you hungry? Let's have some Huevos Rancheros. And I was like, word, let's do it. And now I have it every day. It costs like $8 or less, depending on how stingy you are with your ingredients. Oh, you're gonna film me cut an onion? Oh, it's pretty sharp. It's a lot sharper than my knife. You gotta wash them first. Just make a little rinsey rinse. Give these guys a little slice. This one. I like tomatoes. We need garlic.
Keep it under the bananas.
Where else would you keep it?
Right? Alright.
Favorite salsa. I use chips. I like chips. You get multi-purpose out of these. Okay. Hot sauce. Your favorite hot sauce? This is the Hudson Valley hot sauce. Refried beans. They take a little while to make, but you can just get a little can of refried beans. We get our burners to around medium. You have olive oil? What kind of oil do you use?
That guy.
Look at this. This guy cooks. Some olive oil in here. Perfect amount of oil in here. Oh, we're going for it. Oh, we're going for it. If you saw little pieces of skin in the onions, I picked it out. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't put the garlic in too early. The garlic will just get burnt, and that's no good. You don't want the garlic burnt.
I'm probably gonna end up making it sound like a meal that I make now.
If you don't, I'll be offended.
It looks and smells really good.
What I like to do a little early too is put some of the hot sauce in. Then it just really melds with the vegetables, and you just get I don't know, just juicy, succulent even vegetables. Right, just a little bit, just for the flavor. See, okay, this is right where we want this. They're really reducing. They're getting really soft and stuff. And you literally just toss a little salsa in here. It seems strange, but it's a great ingredient salsa. It's got good stuff in it. Okay, so what we have here is actually not a can of refried beans, believe it or not. And it doesn't look like that. It doesn't. It actually is just regular beans. It doesn't, no. And you just take a good little scoop or so. Don't tell me. Thank you. And then what I do, I just take some chips and you just get a little plating of chips. Nothing too fancy. The toughest part is getting the beans from here to the chips. Because when you try and spread it, it doesn't work. The chips are like, broken. I don't know who did that. And just see, like you try and, I don't know. I don't want to talk about it. Look how yummy that looks, guys. Don't worry, you're gonna cover this up with everything else, and it's gonna taste great. It's not gonna be as pretty as I want it, but that's fine. And the salsa just reduces. There's a lot of water from the tomato in there, and you just let it, you go to your local favorite diner, and you can be like, oh, can I have the refried beans? This is what they're giving you.
That?
Yeah.
But that's not beans.
Okay, it actually is done. You want it to be like nice and thick, and it's a unit now. The ingredients have become one. So we take ooh, that is hot. Let's go right here. And just throw this on here. Never forget, turn off your burner.
Words to live by.
Burner goes back on, get our oil in here. Eggs to personal taste. I like my eggs fried, I like them gooey. Some people find that like a war crime. Just eggs, it's not that deep. And like I said, I like my eggs fried. Oh no, oh no, oh there's a little piece of shell in there, that's tragic. Did you get it? You're crazy. You can't make an egg hatch. Right? That's a metaphor for my eggs here.
Unless you have an incubator.
Right. Another personal preference, I break the eggs, just let them get a little like... I don't want to talk about it. I massacred the avo like a couple minutes ago, so this is what we're rolling with.
Love it.
There it is. Here you go. It's a functional meal. This isn't gonna win any awards. It's not gonna, I don't know, you can make it for guests if you're just looking for something functional. You get a lot of sustenance, and then you end up with something that's just, it's delicious. I eat it almost every day. All right.
I'm a lefty, so this is...
Oh, this is tough. We should have switched.
I know.
It's just clean. It's just clean. It's a clean meal. Simple ingredients, simple dish, tasty.
Anything you want to put out to the world.
Don't forget to tip your server.
Mmm.
And your librarian. It's funny that we sat like this when we're throwing elbows.